everybody, it's Cori. Welcome to the Diamond Painting Effect with Cori. It's so good to have you guys all back with me again. This is going to be part 2 of an unboxing from Paintsomeway. The last video that I did was, I'm not going to pull this out, but I had the snowman wreath. I'm going to insert a picture so you can see them a little bit better of my part of my haul. I did the Christmas lighthouse. I showed you the snowman package, but that's in another video that I did earlier. And I had my little Noel little table piece. So that's what I opened from Paintsomeway already, and I'll do a picture up there so you can see that stuff a little bit better. And what I have left from this, and I did my tailgate party embroidery, and look for that. I'm gonna when I try this out for the first time, I'm gonna do it with you guys. So look for that video. Okay, the next one. Maybe I ought to get all the Christmas out of the way. Okay, this is a Christmas one. This is not. And, this one fell out, and it is not. Okay, do I have everything out of here? I think so. This all came on January the 11th. I ordered it out on December 10th. I should have known it wouldn't get here in time for Christmas, but you know how that is. You always live with hope. And I saw somebody unbox this one too. And I had to have it. I wish I could remember, you guys. I wish I really do. But isn't that beautiful? That's a Gingerbread House. And it comes with the normal toolkit. And these are the drills. A lot of whites, blues, darks. And anyway. So I just think that's going to be a gorgeous diamond painting. It has 23 colors, and it is quite sticky. Yeah, I almost couldn't get it off. The symbols are alphabetical. They're all alphabet. It looks like they're very clear. Even the dark is clear. They did dark on white. I think this will be very clear. This will be easy to do, I think. Oh, that is just adorable. I love it. I love it. It's a 30 by 40. And I can't wait to do it. There's so many that I want to do. My goodness. Anyway, so that's my gingerbread house. The other, that's the last of the Christmas items for this. I don't know. I may still have more coming in. I also got, looking forward, this is kind of Eastery. The package that this came in was split open, and that's why it fell out. It has a normal toolkit, but this one has some baggies in it for you. And it has special drills. Oh, they're so pretty, that pretty pink. I'll go ahead and pull this out. I learned with these don't have numbers on them, so you've got to be careful. When I throw them over there, I got to make sure they stay together. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, I love that pink. Different colors of pink. These are so far all round. Amber, some more pinks. There's an amber brownish colors. That one is definitely brown. And now we're going into the greens colors. Different shades of green. Turquoise. And green. And we got some white ABs. And we got some teardrop. Oh my gosh, you're not even seeing any of this, are you? I'll go through this real quick again. I am sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I keep forgetting that there's like 2 feet between me and the camera. So I think this is going to be so pretty and cute. There's a little plastic film over it to protect the glue. And I thought maybe I could pull up a little part for you to test the stickiness, but I don't think I can do that. They have a clear glass one. I can't tell if there's a plastic on it or not. There probably is. And then there's this one. It looks like an Easter egg. I don't know which way it goes. I suppose you can choose. I don't know why I... See if I can do this, guys. I never got them. Okay, there we go. And that's how it will look on your table. Isn't that beautiful? Tulips are my favorite flower, guys. I love tulips. And I just love that. One of my first diamond paintings I did was of pink tulips. And anyway, that's very pretty. I can't wait to do this one either. Get these, put these all together. I can't get them in the bag. I'm going to have to get a different bag for this stuff. So, this one I'm excited about too, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. These are keychains. And they are Gorjuss girls. Aren't those so cute? I plan to use at least one of these on my scissors for my sewing and put my needle threader on it, attach my needle threader to my scissors with this little chain. So this is one of them. This is a gorgeous girl dressed like a bee. Isn't that cute? She's in a pink and gray dress. This one is in a turquoise, accented with tan, wintry look. And here's another black and blue. She's different than the other one. But here they are. Aren't those gorgeous? They're so cute. So cute. That's probably what I'm going to do. That is what I'm going to do next. The claws are separate from the chains. And the drills are all together in the same kit. And there are some baggies and a plate of wax. So these are the drills. It looks like there's some cabochons in there. A small one. Hey, Gunther, I need you to skedaddle. Skit, scat, scoot. See if I can do a better job of showing you these drills. There's reds, pinks, clear, amber, turquoise. This is a dark turquoise. It's hard to, it's really dark in the film. There's browns, another pink. Gunther, get down. Browns, and they're all round. These are some black, probably 310s, and these are the cabochons I was telling you about. I don't know what you call those. I think those are what you call cabochons. I don't know where that one goes. Probably Maybe on the bee. I don't know. We'll have to find out. So, anyway. So there's my Gorjuss girls. Keep that kit together over there. That mess over there. I'm going to bring this mess over here for my tulips. And then my gingerbread house diamond painting. That's it for this one. Gunther's made his debut. Not debut, his cameo. And so that makes us complete. I want to thank you guys for joining me with the diamond painting effect with Cori. Take care so I can see you again in the next one. Hi, we just got back from my sister's and we got through finishing up with those Gorjuss girls, and they are gorgeous. Here's how they turned out. Talk to you later.